Hey guys, Crystal here with Seated Tents. I just wanted to show you this 3/4 ton truck, and as you can see the damage right here that we're gonna be helping this customer. We're gonna save this fender. He is not gonna need any paint, no pulling emblems, no blending and painting into another panel. So this does not need to be replaced. We're gonna metal work this out. Okay, let's jump right in. The fender flare, I have taken that off. Now I am moving to the fender liner. We need to get that out of the way so I have room to work on everything on the back side of the fender. I've got some marks on the panel. I'm going to show you here very shortly what those are for. Today I'm going to be using my tension puller, and those marks that you've seen on the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and place these pads in those black squares. Okay, let's get to it. Yesterday we had a little bit of a late start on the damage, so we're getting fresh eyes on it. And I do have the panel cleaned off. We have the tension puller off for the time being. As you can see, even straight on, even with no lighting yet on detail work, you can see a lot of the stress is out, and a lot of the bulk of it is out in this area. So today we're going to be focused on relieving the rest of the stress in this top area. And then we're going to be doing a lot of finessing work, getting everything completed today. So let's jump right in. Here, guys, I can see is highly stressed as well, which is creating some shallow damage here and some draw. And then there's this area here that I need to go ahead and get finessed out from underneath the fender. So I'm just doing a check-in progress report. As you can see, I've got a lot of that body line bumped out. You can also see there's a lot of shallow damage here. I just need to go ahead and get picked up. In this area, you can see in the natural light, along with some shallow creases here. And if we go down here, again, just shallow damage that just needs to be cleaned up. And I would say that we're just about finished. CD dents, we saved yet again another fender. This fender did not need any filler, no paint, and it certainly didn't need to be replaced. We were able to metalwork everything out utilizing our service of Paintless Dent Repair. Right here in Midland, Michigan, CD dents, all we need to do is go ahead and put that fender liner back underneath, put the fender flare back in place, and we're all set.